this chapter, we're going to be looking at factoring, and I want you to understand that factoring basically is an undistribution process. In the last chapter, you learned all about multiplication of polynomials and doing distribution, and factoring is basically the opposite process. If distribution is multiplication, then factoring basically is a division process. Now, remember back in your pre-algebra class when you first learned to do a factor tree, your teacher would give you a number such as 24 and say, find the prime factorization. If you left your answer at 4 times 6, your teacher would mark it wrong. You know that you were supposed to go all the way down to the bottom row here, in which all you had were prime numbers in order to find that prime factorization. Now, the comment I want to make here, or the first comment, is don't stop here. Don't stop at the 4 times 6 level. The most common mistake in factoring is that people don't factor completely. When you see the directions factor, the directions factor basically imply, or the directions factor means, even if it doesn't say it, factor completely. And over my years of teaching, this has been a very common mistake. I'm always marking people off on tests for not taking their problems down all the way.